In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create repeating journals in Xero. This process is an efficient way to manage recurring transactions, ensuring accuracy and saving time in your accounting routine. So let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero accounting software login page and enter your email address and password. After entering your details, click Login. If you're new, make sure your login credentials are handy to avoid any delays. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, navigate to the Accounting menu, which is your gateway to managing all financial entries. Click Accounting and you'll see various options drop down. Select Manual Journals. On the Manual Journals page, look for the option that says New Repeating Journal and give it a click. This option might be tucked away, so be sure to scroll through the selections if you don't see it immediately. With the new repeating journal interface open, start by entering the date for your first journal entry. Choose an appropriate date that corresponds with when your transaction should begin to repeat. After setting the start date, select how frequently you want these journals to repeat. Popular choices are weekly or monthly, but adjust this according to your needs. Now you have the option to set an end date. If you foresee these transactions stopping at a specific point in the future, go ahead and fill in this field. If not, you can leave it blank for indefinite repetition. Before saving, consider using the Save as Draft function if you think you might need to make changes later. This step is great for those who want to double check their entries or are awaiting approval. Alternatively, if everything looks good, you can choose Post, which will finalize the journal. It's now time to input the precise journal details. Enter the relevant accounts, specified amounts, and include a narration to describe these entries. Narrations are particularly useful for keeping track of why a journal entry was made and aids in quick identification later. Once all details are correctly entered and reviewed, click Save. Saving this entry will solidify your repeating journal entry, ensuring it is in the system and set to repeat based on your specified parameters. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up repeating journals in Xero. By following these steps, you streamline your accounting process, leaving you with more time to focus on driving your business forward. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more practical tips on managing your finances with ease.